Here we go. Topps Chrome. Soccer for Darren. I don't know that fall is exactly because we're in the 80s, but Darren, who do you want out of this? I agree. Fall is my favorite season of the year. You have all the sports, beautiful weather. Okay. Well, the two rookies people told me were Caden Clark and Paxten Aaronson.
That's a beautiful card.
Pellegrini, pitch prodigy. Christian Torres, rookie. Pereira and Brenner. Andre Pereira, green rookie. Or Andres Pereira. Oh, Ricardo Pepi. I think that's a good one. Darren? At least someone wanted him. I know that. Cole Bassett, Future Stars. Celebration Reynoso. Celebration Valeri.
Okay. I have that box right. Okay, no, that's good. That's good. I was trying to figure out what I needed to put
yet. Oh, 4 of 5 red. Man, what a box. Jose Altador. Josie Altador, I'm sorry. Let me get it right. Celebration Ben Burry. Paxten Aaronson. George Bello.
I'm wondering why we're talking about bathroom breaks.
Very debatable topic.
Caden Clark, pitch prodigy. Man, I'll get that yet. There's a gold Dominguez, 38 of 50. Holiday. And that's the box.
This is the little set I put together. Opening up all these League Ultimates.
So is Pepi a good auto, or am I thinking of the wrong guy? Thanks, Darren. Let me know if you want anything else.